What's up, Seashells? It's Shelby and welcome back to my channel.
Yo, Seashells, it's Shelby. And I am Shelby. And I am Shelby. And I am Shelby. Shelby. Welcome to the channel.
What's up, Seashells? It's Shelby and welcome back to my channel. And welcome if you're new. This is post-carnival. I have been sick. This is the best I've been feeling since carnival. Today is what? Saturday. Whoa, carnival was basically a week ago? That is insane. I didn't even realize that. That's kind of crazy. Anyways, is today Saturday? No. Alexa, what day is today? Wow. Anyways, I have a little bit of strength, so I'm going to use it to tidy up my apartment. I threw away all the garbage you could think of. I literally just made a bookshelf today, even though it came in the wrong color, and I'm really mad about that. We're gonna just put some stuff on it. I'm contemplating where I want it because it's currently right here. You see that color? That color is just so ugly. I wanted it in black. I like, if not black, why not white? Gray? This looks so ugly against the wall. But whatever. Luckily, I have some black contact paper that I was actually going to use and wrap my cupboards, but that project has been on standby for a while because I have been dreading. I don't know, I think I'm gonna have to get somebody to come and do it for me because I don't know if I have the patience to do that myself. But I do think I'm going to wrap this bookshelf. Initially, I wanted to put it in my room and I would hang, well, not hang, but I would store some of my purses, some of my heels, because I don't have anywhere to put my heels. And where I have my purses right now, it's just not ideal. I think I want to put some of my jewelry on it. Honestly, I just need storage. I need places to put my things. I think I want to buy maybe 2 storage bins. It can stay right here for now since nothing is here. It's kind of an empty space. I wanted an entry table right here, but this will do for now. I think my room has too many things in it at the moment. We're just gonna do that, do a little tidying up, and then I'm going to try to do some self-care. I didn't even do my nails for carnival or anything like that. My lashes are coming out. I washed my hair yesterday, so maybe, just maybe, I might style my pixie, or I might wash my clip-ins and put in my clip-ins because I have enough hair, or I think I have enough hair at the back of my head that my clip-ins can attach to. So I might do that. And this is the reason why I haven't cut my pixie yet. I haven't gone back to Shirley yet to let her cut my hair or anything because I low-key want to sew in. But anyways, I feel like I want to do a little facial. I'm going to put on some press-ons. I want to paint my toes. But yeah, let's just do something. I was eating this for lunch today. Lunch. This is just a quick snack. I got it in my Gen XS goodie bag. Make use of the things because I made use of almost everything I got in them goodie bag. This tastes so good. I'm definitely gonna buy more. I was having them with I was having it with Club Social, but my Club Social done. And I don't think I should open another Club Social, so I'm just gonna eat the rest. It have a little sourish taste, which I like, but it catches me off guard. I'm contemplating making a rice bowl tonight. I think I have some black beans. I have sweet corn. I could just take out one of my chicken breasts, cook some more rice. I made rice yesterday and I forgot to put it in the fridge so it spoiled. So I might have to make some more. And I have one last tomato left. I think I could make a rice bowl. I'm gonna take out my chicken breast to thaw out. Alexa, resume. Because I have nowhere to store this bag. It's so big, I have nowhere to store it, so it has to go on the bottom shelf. I think I could store bags here. are things that I need to review. So they're gonna go on the bookshelf for now. This is a mango and pineapple exfoliating body scrub. Definitely gonna take a shower with this tonight. And then this is the mango burst body butter. But I have no lotion, so thank God. It smells so good. Fruity scented and vanilla scented stuff. I don't know, it just does something to me. I think I'll use this as my new water cup. If you guys know, my big black tumbler that I have, it broke the other day, so this is what's gonna have to replace it. Hey y'all, today I'm going out with Mo for a little lunchy lunch. I know I told everybody, don't call me, don't invite me nowhere, da, da, da. This is the exception. She come from foreign and she's leaving by tomorrow, okay? So yeah, we're due for a little lunch date, okay? So we're going to Coppers and they're supposed to be there for 3 and it is now 2:40, so I should be able to get there in time. I want to show y'all my outfit. This is the outfit. Nothing too crazy. Just a little 2-piece. I'm wondering if they're gonna let me in with all this skin showing. I think I want to take a jacket just in case. Because I can't buy that. White sandals, nothing too crazy. The idea was not to look this gothic or emo or whatever term y'all want to use, but it happened. I'm going to try to take my jeans jacket if I could find it. Oh my god, I feel like it's an obstacle course I go on right now in my closet. Is it even in here? Oh yes, I see one. Is it the one that I want? No, but oh my lord. Well, I broke the hanger. Oh, you know, let me look for the pants there. Anyways, the hanger broke. It's fine. I have plenty more where that came from. So this is what we're working with. I need to take my little handheld tripod actually. Whew, I'm tired. I almost forgot my DJI. Why are you not focused? See, this is why I like having bags that have space, because all these things that I'm taking up can hold in my bag. Here's my bag. Anyways, time to go. Hey guys, guess who I have with me? Small if you didn't know. We made it, but it's currently raining. And that's where we wanted to go sit, out there, where it's, you know.
Hopefully it dry off.
Hopefully. Hey man, we're kind of outside-ish. At least we get like a sun. In there, to me, is giving dinner vibe. My lychee martini. And here is Moscow Mule. So let's hope it tastes good. Oh, okay. You know where I go, Bob?
Done extension already. About $100, that's
I swear to God. It up. Why was I out looking like that? Today was good. It was a good day. Can you believe I was in my car sitting down for like an hour? Price I guess right now I really did sit down in my car a defrost. I had to snap out of it. It took me basically an hour to get home because of traffic. Actually in the car editing my pictures that I want to post, because I did take some cute pics in my little outfit. I felt like my makeup was too good to go to waste. I could wear the outfit again, but I felt like everything was just giving. And since the wig is already basically not on my head anymore, maybe I should just go ahead and take it off. But also Neil wants to do a video tonight and I can't bother, so I don't know if I should call him and ask him if he still wants to do it Or not? Fine, I'll call him. They're a joker. And you know what's gonna happen? He's gonna message me or call me afterwards. And I done took everything off. I couldn't even get to show you guys the food and stuff properly because I just did a shut off my mouth. I just like yap. I was just yapping away. And then on top of it, where I was sitting, I wasn't getting good lighting. So I was just annoyed overall. And this tripod that I have this on is not the right tripod for this camera. So the angles were just off. So I was like, you know what? I'm not vlogging. I think my pictures are so cute, but I don't know if I want to post them. I think Instagram is doing some weird stuff with the algorithm. Like, ain't nobody seeing my content unless it's reels. And then to be very honest, not even the reels. I don't know. It has to be like a special occasion for my pictures to hit these days. Normally they be hitting and they're not hitting anymore. But it's okay because I still think they're cute, and that's all that matters, right? Like for example, Zimiguan, everybody's expecting Zimmy pics. So that picture did well, and then afterward I thought this picture looked so cute. Wrong. But luckily I know I look fly, so I left it. See, my thing is I don't know which one to go first because I like that. I can't see it anyway, so whatever. There is a thing that's good for you, just for me, and I don't need you blaming me. Like she did it again. You can't get me out of your head. I know you do. Exactly. It's the one name in. Hello?
Yes, moms.
Where they?
The country. They have paying them.
Oh.
Really?
Me add. And knowing you're not reach your 8 o'clock.
I will give 5 minutes, I'm telling you. Give 5 minutes, hold on.
It's alright, me wipe it off, it's fine.
Alright.
It is 7:04 right now, and that's staying one more hour in this makeup. It gots to go. Gots to go. Alright, so I changed my clothes. I did a little promo video a while ago for the little Shein $40 allowance thingy that I've been trying to put y'all onto. But I don't know, I just want to take off the makeup now. I just want to lie down. I want to pop off this wig. But I was gonna say, what if Neil comes and then do the video? But I can literally slap this wig back on my head and put a beanie on. Like, I'm not in the mood. I'm not in the mood to have this wig on anymore. I'm tired of it. So I got this new cleansing balm from Good Molecules in PR. So we're gonna put it to the test and see how good it is, because I don't have any makeup wipes and I don't really like putting soap on makeup. You know what I mean? Yeah. So let's go. And I'll tell you how good it is. I don't have anywhere to put you guys, so I'm gonna just have to go take my word for it. Yeah? Okay.
Lord have mercy. Kill him.
Guys, don't let the air sweat out. Yeah, no. So y'all, I'm gonna draw myself right here. Let us see. Y'all see? Look at. You see my sideburns?
No bad man, you know. I know that for sure.
My sideburns. Like, there's my edges.
Shelby.
Be real.
Shelby.
Be real with yourself. That's weird.
The vision in the room with you right now?
Yes.
Oh.
Guys, my self-portrait. I don't know fucked up, you know? Pretend it's up.
Right.
You see it?
I was dreaming when you said you loved me. The start of nothing. I had no chance to prepare. I couldn't see you coming. The start of nothing. Ooh, I could hate you now. It's quiet.
I mean, I say, like, I'm just integrated into the episodes from fitness and nutrition to mental health and digital wellness. Support this initiative as part of our broader commitment to improving population health.
I should see you faking. If you could see my thoughts, you would see your face.
What's up?
Excuse me? Do it again.
Yo, so people ask you a question.
You want me?
With us kids again.
So we're gonna be doing a reset that is desperately needed because my apartment looks like I don't know what to say. Obviously got some new additions to the apartment. I did not vlog them because to me, building things and vlogging it stresses me out and it makes the process 10 times longer because I have to be switching the camera angles, making sure everything looks somewhat aesthetically pleasing. So no, I did not include those. If you ever want to see me build anything, you need to tap in to when I go live on YouTube, when I go live on TikTok, sometimes I go live on Twitch. And that is where I always build stuff. Right? Cool. I literally just built this desk right here. So a bunch of stuff is on the floor right now. I need to clean. So the first place we're gonna start off is the living room. And then we're gonna make it to the room, the bedroom. No, living room, kitchen, bedroom, bathroom. Because my bathroom is a hot mess. The kitchen right now, hot mess. Living room, messy, but very, very easy to fix. So let's do that. This is laundry I need to do. So I actually took this out of the bathroom last night and just put everything here because I'm going to separate them in different bags. So no, it's not like I just carelessly live like this. No, I was taking stuff out of the bathroom. And truly, why these are here is because I got this new shelf, right? And I was trying to put this in the bathroom, but I realized that the shelf is too big to go in there. So I was trying to make space by moving those and all the laundry from out of the bathroom to make space for this. I brought it in there and I quickly realized that it can't fit. So I put it back out there, but I never put these back into the bathroom because I just need to take them down to the washroom and get to washing. Okay, so needs rearranging. Oh, I also changed back my room to how, well, kind of how it was because y'all know that initially my dresser was always over there. So I had moved it to the other side, but I put it back because I prefer it there. So now I have moved my vanity to this side of the room. I did my hair and makeup the other day and then I left and went to Portland and I am back now and this is the result. It just needs some organization. I feel like I'm gonna put that bookshelf that I tried to put in the bathroom in that corner right there. That's the plan so far. I think I'm going to put it in this corner right here. Not because I want it in my room, but because I don't like it in here. And the fact that it is also not black is throwing me off really, really bad. I don't know. Let's just start with the living room because that's the easiest thing to fix right now. And let's just do that. It's like I did so much, but I did so little. And I'm taking a snack break. I took a nice, long, cool shower. And I'm gonna have a snack. So I have been snacking on tuna a lot lately. So I'm gonna have this smoked flavor. And I'm going to mix that with, what do you call it? Mayo. Yeah, I'm gonna mix it with some mayo and have it with crackers, and that is my lunch. I did a little bit of cleanup in the kitchen, as I think I showed you that earlier, but over this, oh, not touch it. I can't show you that. It's embarrassing. Normally, I would put the tuna in the fridge to let it get a little bit cold, but I do not have the patience for that right now. I don't think I'm gonna eat all of this tuna right now, but yeah. So I got these crackers. These are roasted garlic and herb water crackers. So the reason why I got this is because when I was in Portland the other day, I tried these gluten-free herb garlic crackers and it was amazing, but it wasn't this. It was called Breton or something like that, and I was searching for that and I couldn't find it, so I decided to try this, and it's okay, but it's not great. Okay, it's not great. Let's see how this tastes together, because this would be my first time eating this together. The smoked tuna is really good. I don't know, if you look at tuna too long, you start to compare it to cat food, because really and truly, what is the difference between tuna and cat food? It smells the same. I'm gonna eat this and watch some YouTube. Maybe I will resume cleaning today, but honestly, I'm just really tired and I just want to chill. Especially since I took that nice long shower. Do I really want to get all sweaty again? Not really. So, we'll see what I decide to do. Good morning. So I did not clean anything else for the rest of the night, and it is currently the next day. And I need to go get my hair done. It's 9:48, my appointment is at 10. I might get there 10:10. This is the first time I'm ever going to be late to my hair appointment. So, yeah, let's just go. I will talk to you guys in the car. Okay?
I put some ice on you cause you got a cold. I know I gotta keep my shorty on go. Got that in the flow. You ain't gotta deal with none of these niggas no more. I've been looking, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my pride of faith? I ain't no player, I just got a lot of faith. But let me tell you, I like you a lot, babe. I wanna start at the top and the bottom, babe. Now you want to shoot with the red at the bottom, babe.
Allegedly, ishowspeed is here in Jamaica, and allegedly, they say he's gonna be at mass camp, so allegedly, we pulled up. Allegedly. That's Joel, and that's Jamar, and that's Tree, and this is me. I literally came with a dead camera.
Oh yeah, I remember Dream. I did you for real?
Probably.
Yes.
Oh, that's it,
Oh, oh yeah. See? Oh yeah. But that's a real set on the day.
I was at the whole table, bro, pouring me a whole ass drink. What the hell?
Corey, why you have on a ski mask in Jamaica?
I'm a force in the night.
Force.
Really?
Force.
We believe?
Believe. Happy, have a nice day.
Everybody be Batman.
Amen.
For thine is the kingdom, power and the glory.
Forever
and ever. Amen.
Amen. People, thank you so much. I want you to take your time, draw yourself
Want
up
to
to
go
the
Jamaica,
front.
you know?
I go pray. I go pray. Is that
Is
Tishanay? Oh my God.
Oh, the Asmo, the friend. I forgot to say your Thursday, but
I don't know when DJ can pick our DJs each of them.
Period. My first time meeting.
where you stop the for 1%?
Yeah.
If you saw that now, flip, get on for real. Cool ravers, man shoulder for your flick. Yeah, that's what you. Get your shoulder for your flick. Listen, cool ravers are far away. Ding ding dong, the new dancing king. Man your shoulder for your flick. Get your shoulder for your flick. Watch your words to a speak and a talk with your bad man. Man shoulder for your flick. In a mix chain bling bling. Bad mind is a sin. You need to be a diva.
Every dance you should go and shop. Somebody die, how I be them flap. Let him rev the bike. Sit down, in the shop. See the club. Put the press on. Rev the bike. Rev the bike.
Feet is like, what the fuck? As we can see, so we just come for more rum done. Guys, when the security them tight, bad. Guys, them a push down everybody. Can't say they embarrass me.
that my experience here in Jamaica was the best. Y'all treated me so well. The food was so good. Y'all showed me so much love. Shout out to Jamaica. I had a fun time here. I genuinely did. I had a very fun time here. Y'all showed me a great time.
Whew. I'm home. I'm exhausted. It is about 9:30 right now, and they must say they want to go this thing called Club Search. So it's Rihanna night. So they basically are gonna play Rihanna songs all night. And earlier, I really wanted to go, but now I kind of just want to sleep. So I don't know if I'm gonna take a nap and then just not wake up, or if I'm actually gonna wake up and go. But I put this on because, yeah, I'm gonna take a nap now, and by 10 o'clock I'll see how I feel. And then the thing is, after that I might go somewhere else, but maybe it's a time if you stay at me. I don't know. I didn't get to meet Speed actually. I just got some clips and that's about it. But honestly, I feel bad for him. He looked drained. Like, Jamaica is a lot, and that was only Kingston. That was only Kingston, and he did so much. We'll win. We won the Caribbean War. Mind you, there was really no war, but we definitely won the tour. There's no way anyone could outdo us, can outdo us in a no lifetime. I have never seen the government put on a drone show for an influencer, for a streamer. I hope they take content creators a lot more seriously, because if you can put that much energy and effort and money into a foreigner, then Hey guys, it is the next day after ishowspeed's whole thing in Jamaica. My lip is swollen because, oh my god, it actually looks worse on camera. So I bit my lip earlier this morning, and this is the result. I cannot take myself seriously. No, I forgot to talk to Tuna from far. I'm so sorry. I really can't take myself seriously. I want to kind of rearrange my kitchen a little bit. So over here I have all of my little party cups and whatever, and over there I have my canned food and seasonings and all of that. So I am going to switch them because I just don't like the cups there, and I need to utilize my space. Do not use the cups that often. I feel like I need to just put them somewhere else where I don't really see them. Alexa, play some music. It's time to move all of these and put them in here, but I have cleaning products in there, which I have just consulted the chat, and the chat has agreed that I need to move the cleaning products from over there. Now my reason was because next thing I'm gonna take down bleach and then I go tip in my food and then may go dead. But they're also saying, you know, the heat from the stove and cleaning products and anyways, right. The pink stuff, to be honest, I don't really love it. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna buy it back. Like, after I use it, it leaves this little stickiness, and to me that makes zero sense. It don't make no sense to me. It smells very sweet as well. I mean, I really love when cleaning products smell too sweet. So I'm kind of glad it's done. I don't think I will be repurchasing. So yeah, this is also a bottle of Zep, but this is an antibacterial disinfectant. This have a slight lemony zest to it, which I don't mind. I really got these two products because I never want nobody come over here and say my house smell like dog. So every day I was using these two things to mop the house. And here do if you're mopping. We did it! It's done! Okay, tell me if I show the vlog. That's about it. This is the cupboard that will barely be touched. Okay. Amazing. Amazing, amazing. Amazing. No, nobody want to do nothing else. There's the theater. We are in Portland this week, and I am currently at, what's this? Fresco supermarket. I hate when I'm recording in the car and people are looking at me. But yeah, we're at Fresco supermarket right now. I need to top up, and while I'm here, I think I'm just gonna top up on some stuff that I need in Kingston as well, so I don't have to go to the supermarket in Kingston as well. You get what I'm saying? So yeah, I don't exactly know what I will be buying because I didn't make a list. I'm just gonna go from aisle to aisle and take my sweet time and see what I like. So I have my bag right here. Let's go inside. So guys, finished shopping and I am on my way back home now. I wanted to stop in the town to get some veggies and stuff, but this traffic is disgusting right now and I just want to come off the road. Maybe I will come on the road earlier tomorrow because I still didn't get meat or anything like that, and the bill, in fact, I'm never getting no meat. The only thing I got was fish that I would consider meat. Like $15,000 don't sound like a lot, but for the amount of stuff that I got, it is a lot because I didn't get much stuff. It filled one bag, one and a quarter of a bag. That don't make no sense to me, but I want to stop. There's this shop that sell egg, but even to want telling about that shop there, because you know the egg them don't buy me. But I'm gonna hope and pray that I see the lady there that had like the big flat of eggs, because the ones that I saw in the supermarket, like there was a whole flat, but the egg them tiny. The eggs are small, and the egg them when me get from the lady there at the shop, them big and nice. So that I want. Yeah. Why did I drive here? Anyways, I'm just gonna listen to my music and chill. So I'll talk to you guys when I get home.